Hearing a suo motu case on the alleged rape and murder of a junior doctor at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, the Supreme Court asked the Central Bureau of Investigation to submit a fresh report on the investigation by Tuesday next week. Now, during the hearing, the West Bengal government told the Apex Court that 23 patients have died as doctors protest against the attack. A bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, along with Justices J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Misra, is presiding over the case. Now let's dive into the details of what Supreme Court said today. The Supreme Court, while hearing the matter, said there was at least a 14-hour delay by Kolkata police in registering FIR in rape and murder incident. Now there are certain things that CJI has listed to be produced in the next hearing, that is on Tuesday. First, the status report of the investigation from CBI. Second, the PRB Form 54. The court said a copy of form duly filled in should be produced before the court in the next hearing. The Form 54 is the challan handed over to the doctors conducting the post-mortem by the constable, after which the post-mortem can take place. Justice Pardiwala said, "Look at the PMR. The constable is supposed to carry this challan. There is no reference of the challan used. You need to explain tomorrow if this document is missing. You will have to explain why this happened." Another thing that the CJI asked was Form 5363. Next, he also asked for what steps have been taken on ground to ensure the safety of doctors. Now, speaking on the safety of the protesting doctors, the CJI said, and I quote, "There is a grievance of the state that resident doctors have not resumed work, due to which healthcare system is in crisis. State of West Bengal must take steps to create confidence in the minds of doctors that their concerns with regard to safety and security are being attended to. District collectors and SP of police shall take look into the situation and ensure necessary conditions are created for ensuring safety and security of doctors of government medical colleges and hospitals, which include creation of restrooms for male and female doctors, installation of CCTVs. However, the CJI also noted, and I quote, "If the doctors report for duty on or before 5 p.m. tomorrow, then no adverse disciplinary action shall be taken against them. All complaints on safety and security shall be promptly attended to. However, if there is continuous abstaining from work, then disciplinary action can be taken against them, and they cannot be oblivious to the general concerns of the community whom they are intended to serve." The Supreme Court has also directed for the immediate removal of all photographs of RG Kar Hospital rape murder victim from all social media platforms. For more such stories, keep watching the Indian Express.